Since 2012, the Fritz Henkel Stiftung has been a main supporter of the non-profit organization Teach First Deutschland. Its objective? To achieve educational equality. This is based on the belief that a child's socio-economic background should not determine their success in life. The organization trains university graduates to assist teachers who work in schools in deprived areas, so that more children get help where it is needed most.
Da steckt viel auch Beziehungsarbeit dahinter. Ich nehme mir viel Zeit, mache auch viel Coaching-Gespräche mit meinen Schülern.
Sie gibt uns sozusagen einen Privatunterricht.
Letztes Jahr waren meine Noten sehr schlecht, aber dieses Jahr habe ich mich verbessert.
In the last 10 years in Germany alone, more than 840 of these fellows have been active in around 440 schools. Globally, we have supported the umbrella organization Teach for All in 10 countries, reaching around 100,000 pupils.